I don't know if my light's bright enough, but that's okay. I'll make everything else bright anyway. I'm going to set this video up just a little bit differently because it started with James and I. We went up to the snow, and with the raging stream there, James really wanted to shoot a long exposure where it makes the water look super silky. I shot one, he shot one. I stole his photo off of Facebook so that I can show both of them together. And it's artwork. Never forget that it's artwork. So we decided that we were going to hike out to, I don't even remember the name of the falls. I'll put it up here. And I had been out there in the snow the day before. I'll have that link up here. But as we started walking down there, the stream was pretty wide, and we realized that we both had a lot of camera gear on our backs. So we decided not to cross the stream there, and then it started snowing. It was kind of rainy at that point. But I wanted to show James the Colby Trail. So we went farther up the mountain, and then it did start snowing. And James is a lot of fun because he's someone that I can actually drag with me on these crazy adventures. And I didn't take big cameras, only the GoPro with me on that one. It was snowing pretty good. It was coming in thicker and thicker. And I didn't find out until maybe I guess the next day that people got stuck up on the mountain up in, I guess, Mount Baldy. So I guess we were fortunate, but it was a lot of fun. Let me show you this video. I'm going to start it with us hanging out at the river, just taking photos of the little waterfalls and the river up close, standing in the river. And it wasn't until standing under a waterfall later that I actually got soaked. So check this one out.
Oh, yes it will. Yes it will.
That's the shot. Okay, we're going for the money shot here. The long exposure with a filter. It's freezing.
What money?
Hey, you made 25 cents.
Dang, man, it's 25 cents I didn't have.
I think for this video, it's going to be really short, just showing you the money shot, long exposure, looking up this stream, not the dried nose sweat. Oh, there's a little bird. Looking up the stream, I'll show you mine. I'll steal James's when he puts it up on Facebook, and I'll show you how awesome it is. It's artwork, man. It's a bitchin' stream, too. Did you get your shot?
Oh, let's find out.
Not that wet.
Not that wet. Oh, it's a little blown out. Probably zoom into the screen, the actual fall that I was looking for.
That's that waterfall. Whoa! That's that stream behind us. There's James. We don't feel like crossing the river. My feet are already soaked. Well, they're wet, and they were still wet from yesterday. James's boots are not waterproof, so we're going to come back with wader boots so we can walk right in there. Another time. Another day. It's bitchin'. We've been out here for a couple of hours, and again, we decided not to cross the stream a couple of times. If we just had one camera a piece, maybe. But when you're carrying thousands of dollars worth of gear with you, just not the best idea. And now it has started to rain a little bit. Let's head back towards the car that way. Well, let's wait for James. It is. No, it'll hurt. Oh, how did we get there? Oh, the water droplets are all over everything. How bad is it? wait to come back here again with the camera. Not a full backpack, just a camera and a drone. It's just that. That's not real safe, but I've never been the smartest with safe things like this. That's why I got hurt. There's no signs here to tell me not to do stupid stuff. Oh. Yeah, now my feet are really wet. Whoa! You remember that view from before? It's gone. Oh. All right, I'm heading down.
Okay, stay tuned. That's a video.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's the second one I sent you.
Not this one.
Yeah, that's it. My feet are cold.
Oh yeah, mine are not. Bone dry, man. You gotta be scared of the water, man.
No.
Like a cat.
No. Let's go. And that is the end of this video. Just playing out in the snow. When I'm out with stuff like that, I tend to be every bit of the little boy that I used to be. And it was a lot of fun. And I'm glad that James lets me drag him along on some of these fun adventures. Maybe he was pushing me. Either way, it was a lot of fun. So on this side over here, I have my long exposure. And I do have links, a link down below to all these photos if you wanted to see it, except for James's. And there is a link down in the description below also to all of James's photos on his pages if you want to check those out. I want to say thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Have a fantastic day. Please share this with somebody. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys out there. JonnyPink, no, it doesn't say it, but JonnyPink. I'll see you guys. Thanks. I'm going back to my editing now for another video, which is for the cycling of my new Icon wheels, which I think are amazing. We'll see you guys.
Hiking with Sean. It's a lot of bluffage here, Sean. Come check it out. SoCal.
When you get to SoCal, Sean, let us know. We'll bring you out here. If it's summertime, it'll all be dry, though.
Lots of streams.